How I live my life today.
I want 1,750.
More thing, I'll pay you everything.
No pay me, no more than do. Understand? 500.
No, don't worry. I'll pay for everything.
Oh, thank you very much.
I'll pay.
Alright, thank you then.
Boss, 500, not the money.
See, bros, no worry. Calculate and just do one I owe you before. I'll pay everything more than.
What?
Oh baby you fine, oh baby be mine, oh baby you shine, oh baby you carry away.
No, don't worry. I'll pay. I'll pay for everything.
How far, bros? Give me the money.
Don't worry. Just calculate everything. Calculate and just do one I owe you before. I'll try to come pay you in 3 months time. No vex.
What?
My man!
Look at that you did.
I will not use money that time. Oh.
Yes, now.
How much even be safe?
I just 5,000 only.
Okay, no wahala. I'll be the one small thing. Now I say, I can't give him.
How much?
Last minute, I just 5K. Now small money. Yes.
Don't worry. I'll pay. I go pay. That's small thing.
Bros, how far? Where the money?
Well, just calculate and join the ones I owe you before. I promise you this one, I'll pay you in the next 3 months time. I'll pay.
What?